Hello friends, welcome to the course of CodeIgniter for RESTful API development using self-authentication. Inside this video, we'll discuss about delete student API. If I back to editor, inside last video, we had seen and discussed all about the concept of update student API. Now this time, we'll work on delete student method. So inside this method, while implementation of delete student API, we need to fetch or take student ID from URL. After taking that student ID, first of all we need to check that student exists inside our database or not. If exists, then we need to delete that. So here, let's say that student and student object, because if we want to perform any database operation, we need to create an instance of that. So student object equals to student model, we'll call find method. So student equals to student object and we'll call find method, and inside this find method, look at IntelliSense, we need to pass student ID. So here, if not empty, if this variable is not empty, it means we have some existing data, we have a student found. So once we found that, we need to delete here. So first we need to go inside this else block. Let's prepare a failed response. So status equals to false, message equals to, let's say, no student data found, and finally data will be an empty array. Now let's go inside this if block. So here, if student object, we will call delete method, and inside this delete method, look at IntelliSense, we need to pass student ID. So if student will be deleted, it will go inside if block for success response. Otherwise, inside this else block, we will have some failed response. So I will copy that, put it here. So instead of no student data found, I will call it as failed to delete student. Go inside this if block, paste it here. So this time status equals to true, and in this message, let's say student deleted successfully. Save these changes. After this if else block, go here. Let's remove this comment, return this respond created, and I will pass the response variable. Save all these changes. Go here Postman. I will copy this URL. This is for update student API. Open a new tab, paste it here, and for delete student API, I will go inside routes.php. Let's copy delete-student and make sure this route will be hit using delete request type. So I will copy that, go here. So after API prefix, delete-student, and inside this URL we need to pass a student ID. So let's say that I want to delete this 5th number student from this table. Go here, I am passing 5 value, and we need to change delete method. Click on send button, and as you can see, student deleted successfully. If I go here, click on reload button, and as you can see that from this table, now 5th number row deleted. So in the same way, if suppose we change into post request type, so in that case, inside body, inside form data, we need to pass a key called underscore method, and inside that method we need to pass delete method type. So in that case, we'll use the concept of method spoofing, because on click on the send button, dynamically we'll change the method type from post to delete request type. So successfully, now step by step, we have implemented all the methods of this API controller class. And finally, we have completed our first phase of API development, where we have seen a lots of concept of CRUD APIs. So hopefully from the next video, we'll start on the second phase of API development, which is the most important section of this course, and that will be API development using self-authentication. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.